Well, here it is. It finally came in the mail. My first Lib City perfume package. Look at how great it is. It's all labeled out with the Lib City logo. And here we go. Very exciting. Really nice packaging. Look at this. Wow. So much work. Oh my. One of the great things about knowing Libby the perfumer is that you get your package with a plaque on it. So this is it. This is the back nine. All this great labeling, all the things that are part of the ingredients, where it's from, the perfumer, and we put so much work, a year, into all of the work and effort and the natural ingredients. Beautiful wooden package. Really nice. Here we go. Look at that. How beautiful. Oh, wow. It's got a beautiful green towel in it. And you can see how beautiful the packaging is in the bottle. Super, super nice. You can even smell the wood in the perfume in the box. Wow. It's so natural and beautiful and wire. You can use this for all kinds of really nice things too, including holding your perfume. It's all natural wood. Really, really high quality. And now you can see all the work that's been put into it. Beautiful design. A crystal golf ball on a hardwood ring. Almost looks like a golf ball, almost like on a beautiful tee. You've got this another material here, all black, is black, almost like a hard rubber vinyl, like you'd see on a Rolex watch or something. All this hand wired gold material. Really, really nice. So let's try opening it up now. You can see the label. Gorgeous label. Lib City, back nine, Eau de Parfum, 50 milliliters, 1.75 full ounces. Fairway size. Gorgeous. Really pretty. Look at that. Slides right off. Really high quality. The craftsmanship and the thought just even into the cap. Wow. Smells awesome. Let's try a little on here first. Oh, smells divine. Oh, wow. All that work. It makes you want to go out and play golf or run around in the grass, be out in nature. Fantastic. Mm. Oh, wow. This is something special. You will never regret having this on your skin and on your body and have your friends smell how wonderful you do with Lib City. Great job. So glad I'm part of the family.